Make a 3-loop cluster stitch. We'll be using multiples of 2, which means you can put any amount of an even number. So if you wanted to, say, make a baby blanket or something, you could chain on 100 chain stitches, because there's so many sets of 2s within 100. So just for demonstration purposes, I'll just chain on, say, 10. I'll do 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And to start the first row of this pattern, we'll need to do a 3-loop cluster stitch in the 6th chain from the hook. Now that's how you would start off your pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So wrap the yarn over the hook and insert into the 6th chain from the hook. Wrap the yarn over, draw through that chain stitch, wrap the yarn over, draw through 2 loops, leaving 2 loops. Then wrap the yarn over the hook, insert into that chain stitch, the same chain stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook and draw it through, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through 2 loops on the hook, and then wrap your yarn over the hook, insert back into the same chain stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook again, draw through, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through 2, and then to finish off, wrap the yarn over the hook and draw through all loops on the hook. And there you can see your 3-loop cluster. Okay, so to move on, you would chain 1, and then you're going to miss a chain here and move into the next one. And we're going to do exactly the same into this chain stitch. So wrap the yarn over the hook and insert it into that chain. Wrap the yarn over the hook, draw it through the chain. Wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through 2 loops, and you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn over the hook, insert into that chain stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook, draw it through the chain stitch. Wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through 2 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn over the hook, go back into the chain stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw it through, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through 2 loops on the hook. Now you have 4 left on the hook. Wrap the yarn over the hook and draw through all 4 loops on the hook. And there's your next 3-loop cluster. Chain 1, and we're going to repeat this right across the row. So skip this chain, go into the next one, next one, chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next. Chain 1, skip one chain, go into the next. Okay, so we're up to our last one. We've got 2 chains there, so do your chain 1, and then we're going to put a double crochet or treble crochet in the last chain. And there's your first row of a 3-loop cluster stitch. So for the second row, turn your work, and we're going to chain 3 to start off. 1, 2, 3. And this time we'll be doing cluster stitch into the chain 1 space here. So wrap the yarn over the hook, insert into the chain space, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw it through, wrap the yarn over the hook, pull through 2 loops on the hook, then we're going to do that again. And again. I've got 4 left on the hook, wrap the yarn over the hook, draw through all 4. And there's your first cluster stitch on the second row. Okay, so we chain 1, and we're going to repeat what we just did, and we move into the next chain 1 space. There's the next cluster, chain 1, moving into the next space, chain 1, there's the next one, chain 1, into this space now. Okay, so we have the turning chain left, and we're going to end the row with a cluster stitch in the first chain of the turning chain, and then we're going to put a double crochet or treble crochet in the next chain of the turning chain.